After introduction of simultaneous equations, we are learning about methods of solving simultaneous equations. There are two methods we have seen in the ninth standard how to solve the simultaneous equations. And the methods are the method of elimination by equating the coefficients, and second, the method of elimination by substitution. Now we are learning here how to solve the simultaneous equations by first method, that means elimination by equating the coefficients. And here the equations are x plus y is equal to 4 comma 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. Always write down the equations in the form. First of all, write down the term of x, then term of y, then equal sign, and then write down the constant. When we write the equations in this format, then give the numbers to them. I have given number 1 to the first equation and second to the second equation. Then first of all, think which variable is easy for you to eliminate here. For a given set of equations, suppose you are thinking about to eliminate variable y. To eliminate variable y, we have to make the coefficients of y equal in both the equations. In equation 1, the coefficient of y is 1, and in equation 2, the coefficient of y is 5. To make the coefficients of y equal, we have to multiply equation 1 by 5. Means to all the terms of equation 1 multiply by 5. I have multiplied by 5 to the first equation, that means to all the terms of equation 1. Multiply by 5 to first term and we get 5x. Multiply by 5 to y, we get 5y. Multiply by 5 to 4, 5 4s are 20. That means equation 1 we have converted in this form, 5x plus 5y is equal to 20. Now it is the equation which is multiple of 5 and give the number third to this equation. Now 1 is converted into the third. 1 is converted into third. That means 1 and third both are same actually. Now think about second and third now. In these two equations, the coefficient of y is equal now. Now observe these terms of y. In second equation, the sign of 5y is minus, and in the third equation, the sign of 5y is plus. Then to eliminate these, addition is useful for this. That's why add equation second and third. 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. 5x plus 5y is equal to 20. By addition, what happens? We cancel these two terms in this way. Now 2x plus 5x, that is equal to 7x, and 1 plus 20 means 21. We have eliminated the term of y here, and we get this is the linear equation in one variable, and we have eliminated completely y. Now solve this equation. X is equal to 21 upon 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21 and x is equal to 3. Put this value x is equal to 3 in equation 1. You can put this value in any one of these three equations, that means in equation 1, 2 or 3. But choose the equation which is convenient for you for calculation. I think first is very easy for calculation. I have substituted 3 in place of x in equation 1. Then what happens? 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to, transpose this 3 to the right side, it becomes negative. Y is equal to 4 minus 3 and y is equal to 1. First of all, write down the value of x comma y in the bracket equal to 3 comma 1. The value of x is 3 and value of y is 1. 3 comma 1 is the solution. In this way, we have to solve the simultaneous equations, and this is the value. This is the value 3 comma 1 satisfies both equations. If this value satisfies both equations, that means your answer is correct.